Welcome to the EdbMails Exchange-to-Exchange Migration, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails is a simple and reliable solution for migrating mailboxes, public folders, archive mailboxes, and shared mailboxes from on-premises Exchange servers to various destinations such as Exchange, Office 365, IMAP, and hosted Exchange servers. With its user-friendly interface, advanced features, and seamless migration capabilities, EdbMails is undoubtedly the best software for Exchange migration, ensuring a smooth and secure migration between on-premises Exchange servers or from on-premises Exchange to Office 365. It supports direct migration between different Exchange server versions, including Exchange 2019, 2016, 2013, 2010, and 2007, without the need for double hops, PowerShell scripting, or PST exports. The following sections describe the Exchange migration operation by using EdbMails. Download EdbMails from the official website. Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File. Complete the installation process on your system. Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select the Live Exchange Migration option from the drop-down list. Click Let's Go. Select the Source Connection option. Click Next. Connect to Source Exchange Server. Select Exchange Server version. Click Login. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Continue. Select the mailboxes you want to migrate from the Source Exchange Server. Now, click Migrate to Live Exchange button to connect with your target Exchange server. Select the Source Connection option. Click Next. Connect to Source Exchange Server. Select Exchange Server version. Click Login. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Continue. Select the required mapping option. Click Continue. EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. You can apply filters for folders and items. For example, migrate only items within a specific date range. Additionally, filter by sender and recipient's address, attachment names, and read-unread status. You can exclude standard or custom folders. Click Save. Click Continue. Give a name for migration job. Click Continue to initiate the migration process. Migration operation under progress. Upon migration completion, you will get the migration completion message. Click the View Log button to get migration reports. That's it. For a hassle-free Exchange migration, visit edbmails.com today.